Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. I am Shanwaz Bhuyan, lecturer in English, welcoming you to my online class. I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This online class is for the learners of degree third year, compulsory English. Dear learners, my today's topic with you is framing WH questions from given sentences. Learners, I have written 5 sentences in the board. I have written it just before I start today's lecture. I will show you the answer of these 5 sentences by framing WH questions. But before it, I want to give you some very important basic conception on WH questions words. WH questions means the word that begins with W or H for questioning is called WH question words. So the words that begin with W are who, whom, what, which, when, and the word that begins with H is how. Among these, the word who is used as nominative or subject for person, and who is used as objective or object for person, and what, which are used as subject or object for thing, not person, and when, where, and how are used as adverbial object. That means they can be used as adverb of time, adverb of place, and adverb of manner. Learners, when we use these questions words, then one thing we have to follow is that we have to read the sentence, given sentence, and we have to watch in the given sentence which word is subject or object or adverbial object. So in this case, instead of any of the situation, we can use one WH question word. Learners, we have to remember that the word that is being used here as WH question must be linked in meaning with the word instead which word the WH question word is being used. So learners, in this case, in the given sentence, if we see there is subject and subject is person, so for that person we can use who, and if we see there is object and object is person, and we can use for that person is whom, for that we can use for that person whom. And if we see in the sentence there is subject and subject is not person but thing, so for that we can use what or which. And if we see in the sentence there is object and object is not person but thing, so for that object we can use what or which. And in the sentence if we see there is adverb of time, so for that adverb of time we can use when. And if we see there is adverb place, so we can use where. And if we see in the sentence there is adverb of manner, so for that we can use how. Learners, in English, WH question sentence are always of two types. One is WH question word is used as subject, and after it there comes main verb and then object. Another is where WH questions are used as object, and after it there comes auxiliary verb and then subject and then main verb, I mean the final verb, and then object. And we know that at the end of every interrogative sentence or WH question sentence we have to use the sign of interrogation. So learners, now we move on to the text. Learners, in the board we see that The first sentence is Jamil stands by people in danger. Here Jamil is nominative or subject and it is person. So for this we can use who, and the answer will be, I write the answer 1, who stands by people in danger. And the second sentence, Bangladeshi students must learn English. Here we see that Bangladeshi students, nominative or subject, and English objective or object. Here for this we can use what or which, but as it is English, so we have to use what language. So now we use what language. What language must Bangladeshi students learn? And the third sentence, mother wakes up in the last part of night for tahajjud prayer. Here we see that in the last part of night it is adverbial object and it is actually adverb of time. So for this we can use when, and the answer is when does mother wake up for tahajjud prayer? And now the fourth number sentence, honesty makes us strong mentally. Here we see that mentally it is adverbial object, it is actually adverb of manner. So for this we can use how, and the answer is how does honesty make us strong? And the last one is English is spoken all over the world. Here we see all over the world, it is adverbial object and it is actually adverb of place. So for this we can use where is English spoken. Now learners, in this way we have answered by framing WH question. Learners, from this lecture I hope you have learned very important method, and with that method in next time you can answer very clearly. Learners, I want to end my today's lecture here. Next time I will come to you with another topic, and until then Allah Hafiz.